Hello students, in this presentation we'll discuss about the proximity sensor from chapter 5 transducer subject basic electronics 22225. Now we have already studied about the transducer, and in that we have seen the block diagram of the transducer, and the first block of transducer is sensor. You know that sensor plays a very important part in transducer as it converts the non-physical signal into the electrical signal, and that electrical signal is basically converted by transduction element, that circuit. But the sensor are most important because it senses one energy form and then converts into the another energy form. So here now we will be discussing about the proximity sensors. Now this proximity sensor plays a very important role in our life, day to day life, as well as it has a application in very important security systems as well. Proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical contact. So even at a certain distance, they can detect that there is an object. So these are proximity sensors. A proximity sensor often emits an electromagnetic field or electromagnetic beam or radiation like infrared, and looks for a change in the field or return signal. So that electromagnetic radiation is given by the proximity sensor or thrown or emitted by the proximity sensor, and where the proximity sensor, and if there is a change in its the pattern of that electromagnetic beam, or if the return signal is coming and it is catch, and depending on that it can detect whether there is any nearby object. The object is being sensed is often referred to as proximity sensor's target. So different types of proximity sensors are capacitive displacement sensors, Doppler effect sensor based on Doppler effect, eddy currents, inductive proximity sensors, magnetic, optical, radar, sonar, ultrasonic sensors, fiber optic sensors, Hall effect sensors. So these are various types of proximity sensors. Now different proximity sensor targets demands different sensors. Now for example, capacitive proximity sensor or photoelectric sensors may be suitable for plastic targets. So for plastic targets you need capacitive proximity sensors, and inductive proximity sensor always requires a metal target. Proximity sensors can also have a high reliability and long functional life because the absence of mechanical parts and lack of physical contact between the sensor and the sensed object. A proximity sensor adjusted to a very short range is often used as a touch switch. So the various applications of the proximity sensors we'll see here. The first is mobile devices. Now in this, the proximity sensor installed on the front of an iPhone next to the earpiece automatically turning off the touch screen when the sensor comes within a predefined range of an object such as human ear when using the handset. So that is the work of the proximity sensor. So in parking sensors system mounted on the car bumpers that sense the distance to nearby cars for parking. Then is ground proximity warning system for aviation safety. Proximity sensors are also used in machine vibration monitoring to measure the variation in distance between the shaft and its support bearing. This is common in large steam turbines, compressor and motors that use sleeve type bearings. Vibration measurement of rotating shaft in machinery, sheet brake sensing in paper machine, anti-aircraft warfare, roller coaster, conveyor system. So these are the different advantages of proximity sensors. The first thing is Proximity sensors detect an object without touching it, and therefore they do not cause aberrations or damage to the object. That is the first thing. No contacts are used for output, so the sensor has a long service life. They are suitable in locations where water or oil is used, because otherwise it is very difficult for human to reach there. Proximity sensors provide high speed response compared with switches that require physical contact. Proximity sensors can be used in wide temperature range. Proximity sensors are also not affected by colors. Now, disadvantages of proximity sensors are, unlike switches which rely on physical contact, proximity sensors are affected by ambient temperatures, surrounding objects and other sensors. Both inductive and capacitive proximity sensors are affected by interaction with other sensors. Because of this, care must be taken when installing the capacitive and inductive proximity sensor as to avoid mutual interference. That's all about the proximity sensors. Thank you.